First, download Adobe Fuse 1.3. You can download from using the links I have given in the video description. Then download Blender 2.79. After downloading, install both these software. First, open Adobe Fuse. Using Adobe Fuse, easily create and edit the character as you want. Just double-click on the parts you want to add. Click on Clothes tab, and add the clothes you want. Now select Textures tab. Change texture resolution to 1024 for the body and all the clothes like I'm showing you here. Please make sure this is done properly as this step is very important. Now export the character as I'm showing you here. Go to File, Export, Export Model. Select Pack Textures, give 2048 and select OK. Give a location and name and press Save to export file. This step is also very important, so make sure you do it correctly. Now you can close Adobe Fuse. We can now animate the character we created, easily using Mixamo. First, go to Mixamo site. Link is in the video description. You have to sign up for Mixamo. It's even easier. Just click Login and select your Google or Facebook account for login. I'm already logged in. Now select Upload Character. Select the object file we exported from Adobe Fuse. Select Next. Now place markers on the correct places of your model. Select Next and wait until the rigging is done. Select Next. Now select any animation you want. Download the animation file. Then open Blender. Right-click on the default cube in Blender. Press Delete. Go to File. Select Import. Select FBX. Then select the animation file we exported from Mixamo. Right-click on the body. Select Materials tab. Select Add New. Go to Textures tab. Select Add New. Select Open. Now open the texture file. It is in the same location where we exported the model file to, from Adobe Fuse. Select the diffuse file from there. Select each cloth and select the material we created to add textures to them. Make sure to add texture to eyes as well. Eyelids can't get the texture properly, so I recommend deleting them. Now you can export the animation. Go to File, Export, and select FBX. Save the file. You can use FBX animation as a 3D animation for your games. Or you can follow along to convert this 3D animation to a 2D animation. Place the camera and rotate it to get the angle you need for your 2D animation. Select the rig. Find the number of frames in the animation. It's the last number that is yellow when you drag the animation play button. Go to Render tab. Give the number as the end frame. Give number 1 as the start frame. Use Render Image option to make sure you got the camera in the right angle for your 2D animation. Make sure the rig is selected. Make sure to select Alpha mode as transparent. Select Render tab. Make sure you have selected PNG as output. Also give a location to save your 2D animation files. Now press on the animation button to get the final output. Now go to the location you saved the animation to see it. We have an awesome 2D animation now. That's it for this tutorial. You can use these animations in any 3D or 2D games and videos. Like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks.